Ah yes, the smart individuals of California. With less people knowing gun safety, this was born. The California compliant M&P9 Shield. What makes it California compliant and safer than most other firearms? Let me show you. Well, according to California, it has to have a magazine disconnect. So I have this trigger primed. No mag. Now, I have a loaded mag with one round in it. There is now a round in this firearm. Big red words, hey, this gun is loaded, because most people, I guess, don't understand that you have to clear your firearm. Now that you've seen there's a loaded round in this chamber, check this out. Wow. Mag